debt, cancel Pakistan's debt, and has an incredibly huge debt towards the rest of the world. And the world, the IMF, the World Bank, has funded dams, have funded barrages, have funded all these major mega projects within Pakistan also that have exacerbated the flood. And I know it sounds strange because dams are meant to store water, but what dams have actually done is unequally also distributed the flood water, and more than 50 dams have also broken in Pakistan in these floods. So we have so much debt towards the people that are responsible for this. So we as a nation, we need to clear that. Otherwise, people will starve. There is a famine coming. Something like 90% of the crops within this area, within Sindh, have been wiped out. Our cotton crop has been 50% wiped out.